Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form in Excel. Sometimes people would like to rapidly enter the data in Microsoft Excel list. In this situation they can create the data entry form and enter the data quickly. Let's learn how you can create the data entry form in Excel. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel sheet, I have an employee list. In this Excel sheet, only 5 columns available. If it is of more than 10 columns, we have to scroll it and struggle to add the list. So we can add the data entry form to easy to enter the data. So let's learn how you can set up this. So first you have to select the column what you would like to enter the data. Then you have to go to format table. Then you have to choose any one of the format. Then you have to add the data entry form. So we have to enable the data entry form. So we have to go to file and click on the options. Here quick access toolbar, you have to select the command as all commands. Then you have to select form. Then you have to add and click OK. Now the form feature enabled in your quick access toolbar. So now you have to select any one of the cell. Then you have to click on the form. Now the form list window will be open. Here we can check it out the 5 data available in this list. Here you have to click on the find next to move the next data, or you have to click to find previous to previous data. So if you would like to add the new data, you have to click on the new. Then you have to enter the employee name, ID, then the department, then the date of joining, then the email address. You have to hit enter button or you have to click on the new button. That's it. Now you have to check it out. New employee name has been added. So here you can also delete any one of the data by selecting here. For example, I would like to delete the 5th row. So then you have to click on the delete button. It will be asking for the confirmation. You have to click delete. It will be removed that. So now only the 5 data available. So in this way, you can easily to create the Excel list data by using data entry form. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.